सर, जब आपको ये फिल्म दी गई थी, आशुतोष ने आपको ये फिल्म के बारे में जिक्र किया, पहला थॉट क्या था और क्यों आपने हाँ कही इस फिल्म के लिए?
पहला थॉट ये था कि पहला थॉट क्या था? वाओ, कि लेट मी ट्रैवल बैक इन टाइम. पहला थॉट, first thought was that Ashutosh is my friend. First thought was that he gave me a film like Akbar. My first thought was of immense joy that he's considering me for another film. After that, I looked at the script. You don't want to know my second thought.
I want to.
But I still said, no, mera dost hai. So I read that script. I loved the story. But I waited till that script from 200 pages went down to 80 pages, and then we shook hands and said, let's do this! Gosh, wo 80 page should have been maybe 30 pages. So I would have met you all also more times. Maybe 2 of my more films would have come out. But unfortunately or fortunately, our vision was humongous. Our vision was out of this world, and it has taken its journey. Every film has its destiny. I have mine, and hopefully in my destiny in the future, I know I've said this a lot of times, but till I won't say it once more, I'll do it and show you now. More films. I know what you're saying. I know where you're going. So yeah, give me one more year. No, it's definitely changed. The perception has changed. And I think Jodha Akbar went a long way in changing that perception a few years back. And what your first question was? Of course, yeah, the pressure is always good. No pressure, no diamonds. And that's something that I believe in. So pressure is good, yeah.
टीवी से आपकी एक और फिल्म आ रही है काबिल. अभी शाहरुख खान ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की थी ईद के दिन. उन्होंने कहा कि वो
I've lost you. Hello. काबिल के बाद आपने क्या कहा?
शाहरुख खान ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की ईद के दिन. उन्होंने कहा कि वो बात करेंगे जो क्लैश हो रहा है रईस और काबिल के बीच. वो कुछ बातें हुई आपसे शाहरुख से?
हाँ, हमने बात की है, और बात ये की है कि we are actors, we should leave all this to the producer. See, I think important question है ये, because a lot of actors will be doing movies and doing work and challenging work, and some of them will test them, you know, in terms of length and time and patience and all of that. My advice is that the moment you read that script, if it does not ignite every single cell in your body, then don't do it. You know, just when I signed the film, I knew, and I asked myself, am I willing to give my right hand for this film? I asked this question of all my films. Am I willing to break a bone for this? And this one too, I have broken bones. I ask myself those questions, and if the answer is yes, then I go ahead. And once that is done, then no matter how hot it is, no matter you know how empty the stomach is, and you're still being bashed up on that hot sand, and you know it's just uncomfortable. But you always go back to that moment, yaar, nahi yaar, I have seen that vision. I have seen what this film is going to be in the end, and that is my objective. And this is the way through. And everything kind of centers, and you stand up again, and you go for it again. And that's how it's done. There's no other way.